boys and girls. Today in math, we're going to read 10 Wriggly Wiggly Caterpillars. And then after, we are going to do something special with this book. You can see there's something weird about the book. It has little pages of plastic on there. And that's because Mrs. Ron has protected it so we can draw on the pages. And the only way you can draw in a book is that you have protective pages on there. So I just wanted to show that and say that so nobody draws in their books, because we need to have productive pages for this activity. So 10 Wriggly Wiggly Caterpillars. 10 crunching caterpillars in the bright sunshine. One fell asleep, so that left 9. 9 speedy caterpillars thought they might be late. One was too slow, so that left 8. 8 munching caterpillars, all in crunching heaven. One got a tummy ache, so that left, 7. 7 clever caterpillars creeping through some sticks. One got stuck, so that left 6. 6 singing caterpillars glad to be alive. One stayed to sing, so that left 5. 5 brave caterpillars going to explore. One got lost, so that left 4. 4 daring caterpillars inching up a tree. One fell off, so that left 3. 3 cool caterpillars splashing in the dew. One got soaked, so that left 2. 2 happy caterpillars having so much fun. One got tired, so that left 1. 1 sad caterpillar all on his own, when all of a sudden there were 10 bright and beautiful butterflies spreading their wings and flitting through the skies. The end. So my friends, you heard the different numbers in this story, and you can see that it has the 10 butterflies here. And we are going to be learning something called decomposing. Now, last week we learned about composing, taking what? 2 numbers, sticking them together to make one big number. Today, we're going to do the opposite. It's called decomposing. Can you say that? Decomposing. You're going to take that big number, and you're going to break it into 2 smaller numbers. So my friends, can you say that? Decomposing is taking one big number and breaking it into 2 smaller numbers. So here's our big number, friends. We have 10. I'm going to make 2 numbers, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to circle a group of caterpillars. There's one group of caterpillars. There's another group of caterpillars. Let's count how many I have in this group. 1, 2, 3. There's one part of number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's another part of 10. So 10 is made up of 3 and 7. If I erase this, I can circle another group. I feel like circling this many caterpillars and this many caterpillars. Let's see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one part of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is another part of 10. 5 and 5. 10 is 5 and 5. Let's see if we do a different number. Let's do, I like 7. Here's our 7 caterpillars, and we're just going to circle a group of them. Here's one group. There's one part. Here's another part. My friends, how many do I have here? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 7 is 2 and 5. See my 2 parts? All right, let's try another one. I can make another group, right? I could go, here's one part. There's one group. Here's another number. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3. My 2 parts of 7 are 4 and 3. And we could keep doing that in the book, but I want to show you our, number bond. Here's our number bond. My friends, if you have something at home, you could always use these as well. But I have some Legos. And today I'm just going to take a number, right? And I'm going to say, here, I'm going to put a whole number. How many do I have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 of them. There is 6 as my whole number. I need to break them into 2 parts. I'm just going to take some. Take some here, take some here. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 6 is 3 and 3. I could take 6 back and say, oh, I want to put 2 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 was 2 and 4. Does it matter if my number bond goes this way? Nope. What if I take, and I have 2, 1, 2. I can break it up, break it into 2 smaller numbers, 1 and 1. 2 is 1 and 1. If I had 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I could say, break it into numbers, take this group and this group. 1, 2, 3, and 1. 4, remember I had the big number, I'm breaking it up, 3, 1. My friends, remember, decomposing is taking one big number and breaking it into what? 2 smaller numbers. Big number, whole number, into 2 smaller numbers, our parts. My friends, you are going to be doing a seesaw activity where it has the big number in the big top circle in the whole number spot, and your job is to figure out the 2 numbers that make it. Now you saw that Mrs. Ron had different ways to make the number, right? 3 can be 2 and 1. It can be 3 and 0. Different ways to make the number. Have fun, friends.